Hey guys, another day. We're getting ready for moving, and I asked Babe to get this. Well, I didn't say this specifically, but I just said get something to clean our grill with because we're selling it, and obviously you guys can see. Can you guys see? It is, yeah, it needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna do it now, but we've already started the process. Babe took the camper to where it's gonna be sold, so he dropped it off on Sunday. So now we only have, actually I thought about it yesterday when I came back. I was like, if the camper's not here and Babe has to go to work and he has to take his toolbox with him and I have to drop him off, he usually has like 4 bags, like a bag, like a luggage, the toolbox, then he has his laptop bag, work bag, and then he has a backpack. How is it gonna work in a in a sports car? I don't think we thought about that, but anyways, the car's gone and we are left with the SLK is here. He fetched it last week. Last week he came back last week, and the GTC is at Mercedes. We will fetch it once it's ready for us to fetch it and bring it back. So yeah, so now he cleaned out everything. There's like stuff, you guys can see all of that stuff there on the floor from the camper. So now I need to clean this. So yeah guys, let's do the cleaning. I don't even know if I am gonna be doing it right because I ain't about to be. If this works, guys, it should go. Oh, look, I think it's already worked. Look at that. Oh, it's fizzing out all the dirt. So fully covered, completely covered. I will leave it for, it says 8 to 10 minutes, so I will leave it for that time. Oh, there's actually spots there that I need to cover, so I'll go back. But anyways, this is how it is. We'll see when I come back, when I come to clean it. Okay, so I just did some laundry, just finished hanging it on the balcony here, and now let's see this. It actually looks like it is gonna come off. Oh my word, guys, look at this. This is amazing. I just need to go get like a, I don't know what I'm gonna use, but look at this. It's actually coming off. This thing is magic. I'll link it up for you guys. This is how clean it is. Like, I'm impressed by this. Like, wow. Okay, now let's see the bottom part. Oh, this thing comes off. I think I'll just take it off and just put it on the tub. But it's also, this one is a bit thicker because this is where the meat always stays. So I think I'll need another coat on it, but I'll show you guys after the first wipe how it looks like. But it's clean. Okay guys, I think I should have let Babe do this because this thing is beyond me. Look at my hands, it's like full of grease. Look at the water here. Oh my word, like look at this. This needs another coat, but it's coming off. Like, it's coming off very well. But look at the other side. It's, can you guys see? It's just grease. You won't believe what this looks like. I feel, yeah, I thought this was just going to be like a whoosh thing and I'm done, and it's not. Guys, learn to clean your grills, okay? And this thing is so oily. It's like oil everywhere. Blech. Okay, so now we're just gonna leave the bottom part to clean up. I'm gonna take this inside and I'm gonna wash it in the sink. Ugh. But yeah, the top part is looking better. It's actually clean, and then the bottom part is gunk. So I found a great way to actually do this, and I'm doing it with the brush. This is our pot washing brush, and you guys can see it is clean. Now I'm tackling the greasy side, but it's really taking out everything with the brush. So the brush works, guys. This is another option. Well, to finish off the cleaning, just take it to your sink or wherever. Now I see why a lot of people have sinks outside by the grills. It's for this. Let me finish up. I'll show you guys the final product when I'm done. Guys, this grill thing has taught me a lesson. Clean your grill often, as much as possible, because let me show you guys how it looks now though. So because now I'm doing like the final wipe with water and soap, or wash after the grease. So I'm happy with the progress, and I'm almost done. So let me show you guys. This is the second sponge, and look at already how it looks. And this was just used on this third clean of the grill head, but you see guys, at least it's clean. So now I've got hot water. I'm gonna use the green cloth, and I will just clean it with that, and let's see how it looks after. This is the gunk, all the gunk that came from the inside, well, minus the other gunk that obviously didn't fall in here. But this is like the plate that we use to catch the oil, the grease, and everything when we are grilling. So this is everything. Ugh.